Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Shelly of Letters by Shells, and today we are going to be writing the letter M. So let's get started with this. I'm going to start with doing an upstroke, and with the upstroke it's going to be light pressure, and then do a downstroke applying heavy pressure. And then where I left off, I'm going to start back up again and do an upstroke, and then transition to do a downstroke applying heavy pressure. And I'm just going to do the process over again by doing another upstroke and then another downstroke. And go ahead and add an exit tail, so just where you left off, add another upstroke to finish off that letter M. And for the lowercase m, we're going to do something a little bit different. We're just going to go ahead and do the downstroke again, and then we're going to transition to do the upstroke, but make this stroke a lot taller than your initial downstroke to kind of create a bouncy, fun style to it. And then where you left off, do another upstroke and then downstroke, but make this stroke the same height as a downstroke. And then we're just going to finish off that letter M with another upstroke. And there you have it. There's letter M.